Hey, what's up guys? This is Eddie from WTI. Now, if you are looking for a really good shampoo that is going to leave your hair amazing, I highly recommend this one by OGX. This is Argan Oil of Morocco, and it comes in this beautiful blue bottle, which is fantastic. But the best part of it is that it leaves your hair smelling great, looking great, and feeling great. Now, the consistency, let me show you what it looks like. It's actually super thick, as you can tell. There you go. So it doesn't require a whole lot of shampoo for it to work. Like when I use it in the mornings or whenever I shower in the evenings, it gives me a really nice lather. The water hits it, it smells fantastic. And after I finish showering and I finish washing my hair, the hair smells great. And it's perfect for styling right afterwards. So overall, I can't say nothing bad about this shampoo. It's one of my favorites. I really love the smell. I love what it does to my hair, and I love how my hair comes out afterwards. I love this shampoo, and that's my point of view.